When we're kind of diving deeper into manufacturing specific use cases, another one that we run into quite commonly is the product lifecycle management systems. So not only are there various types of PLMs available, but again, same as with supply chain and e-commerce, there's other systems involved. So this needs to be coordinated between PLM, between ERP, and then CRM can be brought in as well. And some of the benefits that CRM brings, to the PLM process is enabling monitors and dashboards so that users can see what's going on in terms of engineering change orders and product updates. We can provide UI or digital forms for data enrichment. So we've seen a lot of times with customers when they're going from BOM to creating an item, there's attributes that don't exist. They need an interface to be able to provide those, so we can add those attributes, add context, manage that again within CRM. And at the end of the day, really providing these users with real-time updates on product status, which is very valuable when you're thinking about am I going to be able to deliver this order on time to the strategic customer. And then taking things one step further, for manufacturers, we can connect Sugar all the way down to the shop floor. So we can do this by integrating to a manufacturing execution system that they might have, or just going and actually accessing that IoT sensor data directly from an OPC server or some other method that they're leveraging to collect that IoT data. So, making this data available to a visualization platform like Sugar really enables manufacturers to implement efficient inventory management and production planning. They can leverage AI, driven predictive maintenance, and really facilitates that, better coordination between sales and production, which is, very important for manufacturers.